How to use FaceApp for profile pictures. First of all, open FaceApp on your device. Start by uploading a clear photo or take a new one using the camera icon. For the best profile picture, choose a well-lit photo with your face clearly visible. Once your photo is loaded, explore FaceApp's features to enhance your profile picture. Use the Retouch tool to smooth your skin naturally and remove any blemishes. You can apply subtle makeup filters to add a polished look without overdoing it. Try the Smiles filter to add a friendly expression that makes your profile more approachable. Use the hairstyle and hair color filters to try new looks or simply refresh your style for your profile. If needed, use the crop tool to frame your face perfectly for social media or professional profiles. Before saving, review your edits carefully to ensure your picture looks natural and confident. Finally, save your edited photo in high resolution and upload it as your new profile picture. Now you know how to use FaceApp to create stunning profile pictures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.